Data Australasia, guided by lived experience, led by you.
Hi again, everybody. It's Elise Lonsdale from Data Australasia. About Data Australasia, as you've seen on the homepage, we're an access technology training business that is geared around assisting people who are blind and have low vision to use access technology, not adaptive technology, but access technology to access their computers, to access their smartphones, their social media, and also email, etc. We've even had people with interesting requests like making YouTube videos. Lived experience is probably one of the most underrated qualifications one could have when it comes to teaching. I myself, I'm Elise Lonsdale, have a certificate in training and assessment, and as of recording this video, I'm a candidate to update that qualification later in 2025. I have been a former web developer. I've been a Cisco instructor for the Cisco Academy of the Vision Impaired, and I've had the privilege of working for 3 of the major blindness organisations throughout Australasia, that being Visibility in Western Australia, where I was an audiobook producer, as well as dabbling in a little bit of access technology, the Blind Low Vision NZ, teaching people in their homes, and occasionally in at the centre, access technology such as JAWS, NVDA, Apple VoiceOver, ZoomText, etc. Vision Australia here in Melbourne, and of course for the last 6.5 years, my own business, Data Australasia, which in my mind has been a runaway success. It's not meant to be a one-man band. It has Kylie who assists and Kelly who also assists, and at times Annette. So it's a collaboration. Plus, you can't forget the irrepressible bookkeeper and taxation people who they know what they're doing. I just take the view that if these people can do the job better than I can, they're welcome to it. The right person for the right job, as is the right tool for the right job. So when you come to Data Australasia, you will get the right lesson for the right type of learning. If you come here asking to learn JAWS, we will teach that across some application software that you're probably familiar with. If you need to use some transferable skills and learn NVDA because JAWS is no longer within your reach, we can do that too. Or similarly, if you've transitioned from the PC to the Mac or the other way around, we can look for the commonalities between those two platforms and teach that. Data Australasia has the tools and the know-how to give you the life you need, and I look forward to working with you in the very near future. Thank you for watching.
For fast, efficient access technology training and support, call Elise Lonsdale from Australia 0448 966 533. That's 0448 966 533. Or from New Zealand on 027 315 2858. That's 027 315 2858. Data Australasia, guided by lived experience, led by you.